Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to get started with Tenweb in under 2 minutes. Ready to embark on your website building journey with Tenweb? Let's get started in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Open your browser and head over to tenweb.io. Step 2. Click on Sign In or Login. Then below, you will spot Create an Account Now. Click that. Step 3. Choose your preferred method. Either sign in with your Google account or enter your email, name, and details. For this demo, I will breeze through with my Google account. And there you have it. You are all set to dive into the world of website creation using Tenweb. Stay tuned for the next video where we will guide you through on the process step by step. Get ready to unleash your creativity and take your web presence to the next level. Tenweb, where website creation becomes a breeze. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you and see you on the next one.